Welcome to our YouTube channel for learning AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and Corel Draw skills. We're thrilled to have you here on this exciting journey of mastering these powerful design tools. Our goal is to provide you with in-depth tutorials and practical tips to enhance your proficiency in these software applications. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or an experienced user aiming to refine your skills, our diverse range of tutorials will cater to your needs. From creating detailed 2D drawings and 3D models to designing captivating graphics and illustrations, we've got you covered. But that's not all. Our channel doesn't just focus on learning software skills. We're also passionate about helping you leverage these abilities to generate income. We'll share valuable insights and strategies on how you can monetize your newfound skills, whether it's through freelancing, offering design services, or even starting your own creative business. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Join our ever-growing community of like-minded learners, and together, we'll explore the limitless possibilities of design and entrepreneurship. Let's embark on this exciting journey of creativity, innovation, and financial empowerment. See you in our next video.